How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trading King, where I catch the most precise bottoms in the stock market, and I want to make a final update on UCAR because I did trade this before. I made a lot of money doing it, and I want to show you guys exactly how my system catches these reversal patterns to make these massive amounts of money. And before I get right into my system, I do want to say I have been doing this for over 6 years. It has made me profitable month after month, and it's made me be able to do this system full time. And if you guys want to see the exact system and in action in real time, I have a premium Discord. It's only $6 a month. You won't regret it. It includes my trade alerts. I'm going to post that YouTube Discord into the YouTube comment section below if you want to see that and join the group. Now, let's get into what you guys want to see, because obviously UCAR has been having a bad day today. They had a delisting notice, and the stock has tanked about 13% overnight. But let me give you guys my thoughts, my analysis, and how I look to trade this with my system. Me personally, too, the delisting notice, I do think that it's going to be refused. I do think they're going to get a reverse split. Of course, I just don't see this going over $1. The chart, it just looks really bad, and I just don't see that happening. But what I want to talk about is my system. How do I trade this? How did I make a lot of money? And where do we go from here? So the green band right here is a buy signal. That doesn't mean you get in right away. There's a lot of criteria. As you can see, it went massively down below this green band, but I did not get in any of those. I'm going to show you exactly how I traded this. The top band is your sell zone. You absolutely get out. The blue band is your where price has to correct to. As you can see, this thing has just made a tanking, and it's been going down ever since. But my system ignores all these candles, and we don't get in ever single time. And do keep in mind, like I said, the blue band price has to correct. It will. So when you see the price get under it, it goes up. It's just always like a wave. It's like an ocean wave. And then we had this rare situation here where the price just went down so fast. And when you see something like this, you get out of the train way. This is when shorts are in control, because you see these massive candles with big volume just tanking it down. I call it at least 3 days. You wait and you let the price consolidate. That's what you want to do. And do keep in mind, when you think something can't go any lower, Chinese stocks will go so low that you just don't even believe it'll happen, and they can pump, just like hollow, to levels you won't think happen. So think, Chinese stocks are very, very volatile, and they're unpredictable, just like biotech stocks. So just keep in mind, when you trade long enough, you'll understand that how unpredictable China stocks can be. I did not pick up this pattern of the trade till I remember very, very well. I took this trade right here when it was hitting the bottom band right in this, and we made massive gains right in here. Right in here, I believe it was like a 20% gain. Made a nice little gain. I was hyped up. All the Discord members were hyped up. And then right in here, he hit like a high of like 13 cents almost, and it started pulling back all the way to like 10ish area. So I was like, you know what? We should probably get in again. Let's trade to this blue band, because the price, remember, price has to hit this blue band. As you can see, it has not hit it in a very long time, right? And I recorded, the longest I see is usually a month to 2 months. But little did I know, China stocks can be very unpredictable. And the last time it touched, it was like right in here. And I recorded the time on this. It was well over 2 months. So I was like, you know what? We're going to hit the blue band. I want to get my team 100% winner. And that's what I was thinking. So I locked in that 20%, and then it pulls back, try to get in again, because I wanted the price to get in here, 18 cents from 10, almost 100%. But then it started pulling back, and oftentimes you'll see this where this bottom band gets retested again. So right in here, we take the trade, the price starts coming up, and then we retest this, take it, make some nice gains, and then we take this trade right in here, and then it just exploded. So it got all of our members. I remember this was 100% gain in the pre-market. And with my accumulation rolls, I have a nice accumulation where, you can be able to, even though I got it up in here, we were able to accumulate into the 0.9 region, and it shot up to like 13 cents. So still a good trade. It's just, you just don't want to be, you just don't want to play into these emotions. It can be kind of frustrating. But anyways, guys, that is how that worked. That is how me and my team made it. But what I wanted to show you is we did hit the blue band. It did exactly what I wanted to do it, but just not in the time frame I wanted. I knew in my system we were going to hit it in about a 1 to 2 month, but this one was a little more stubborn. It was like 2.5 months. It was kind of annoying. But that's why I say the market will humble you, but at least we were able to make the trade and make money because, like I said, it has to hit this blue band. That's where market corrects. But now you're thinking, what do we do? You always take the profits once it hits this blue band, at least for me and my Discord members, because you don't know where it's going to go. It could go right down to the bottom band or it could go way up to the upper band. You just don't know. Why take that risk? And especially with these penny stocks, you're just supposed to get in and get out because you just don't know. And as we can see, we hit it to a T, and we just kind of consolidate it. We're trying to figure out where we're going to go next. And now with this delisting notice, it's expected it's going to go down. Some retail traders are going to freak out, and it's going to go down 13% because people just don't like to hear news like that, and they're just like, screw it. My averages are so high. I'm just gonna sell for a loss. But like I said, there is always a trade to trade. But next time, learn from the trade. Have a nice system. You can use this system, and you will be extremely profitable as I do this full time. But like I said, if it hits this blue band, I'm out because it could easily take a new lower low and hit this green band, or it could go up to the red band and make a lot of money, but I'm not there to risk that. For the fundamentals, like I said, it's just a penny stock. You don't invest in these things. You get in and you get out. If you guys want to know my next best trade, how my next 100% gainer potential, join the premium Discord. It's only $6. And the nice thing is I have a setup video on how to trade like a pro, how to use this system, the ins and outs, the nicks and knacks of how to, correctly use it, where to enter, where is your potential target. And it's a longer video. Obviously, I can't go over all of this, but it talks a lot about this KDJ, which is very important to get the precise entries and ignore false signals like you'll see down here. And it'll tell you exactly why I entered. And also, I have the trade alerts. I'm very transparent. These are the trades I am. I'll tell you exactly my alerts, and then I'll give you exactly my exit plan. So if I'm able to do this market and be a full-time trader and quit the 9-to-5 job, you can too. If you want to know exactly how I trade, you'll know my alerts. But yeah, that's it. It's $6 a month. A lot of education. You can ask any of these members in here. A lot of people are profitable. You're going to love it. And also, guys, if you enjoyed this video, this is my final update on UCAR. Give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what's your average share price, any type of activity or engagement. We'll share this to other retail traders who are desperately in need of a system of how to find reversals properly, ignore a lot of these downside moves, and God, forbid that you got up in here in this region. This system ignores all this, and that is what I teach. If you guys want to know, like I said, if you guys want to have access to it, it will be in the Discord. But I appreciate if you guys like, subscribe. It'll share it to other retail traders and help the algorithm. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This was my final update on UCAR. Obviously, I traded this twice. Have over about a 50% gain on it. I loved it. It was a nice trade for the Discord members, even though it was a rough trade in general for a lot of people. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the Discord. And have a wonderful evening, and let's make some money together.